Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruston, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruston, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties. These tests are conducted each Wednesday from 11 6 and 8 p.m. unless severe weather travel. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Yeah, since these are MFL issue Marine ones, I don't think MFL is probably gonna test, but we'll see what happens. They probably might test.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are
Holy.
activated to warn of the impending.
It's 11:39.
Of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA Weather Radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office. Now for the official National Weather Service.